I'm Teylar Greer, and I'm the Executive Assistant to the Vice President for Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion at SPU. I graduated from Seattle Pacific Seminary in 2017 in the Reconciliation and Intercultural Studies program. The AAA model of the seminary was an important part of my experience as well. With the academy, it was because of my experience in seminary that I learned that not only are there voices that I can learn from, but I can contribute my voice too. And I felt like the professors and the way that assignments and courses were structured were in a way where my voice was cultivated, and my ability to research and think critically, and also theologically and with discernment. With the Abbey, the discipleship piece was really big in my experience, both in relationships with other people in seminary and with professors. And all of that really the tone was really set for that with the Camp KC experience that we had at the beginning of our time. And I think the biggest way that I was discipled is in, for the first time, having an understanding of how my racial and cultural, my social identities are a part of my discipleship and how I am a follower of Jesus. And then finally, the Apostolate was a part of my experience because I was working at the same time as doing classes, and really every class and assignment was an opportunity to take concepts that we were talking about, or even the papers that I was writing, were an opportunity to apply them directly to the ministry context that I was working in. So the things that I was learning in my head had direct vocational application.